Hi guys, this is Sadak from Droidwin.com and I have just launched a new VIP group for the Droidwin users. So let's see what all is in store for you guys. So first and foremost, you will get the loyalty badges next to your name in the comment section. Then you will also get early access to the unrevoked Keybox XML file. So as you might be aware, timing is extremely important. The early you get the file, the better, because it gets revoked at a couple of days. So that is why if you will get the file at the earliest. Apart from that, there will be some videos which will be only for you, and the rest of the video will be go live for you first and then for the rest of the users. Then there are some polls which will not only be for the VIP. For example, I asked in the polls which phone should I buy next. So in that case, you will be able to participate only for the VIP group. Then I will first reply to your queries in the comments before replying to any other one. So your comments will not go unreplied any further now. Likewise, I will make custom guides just for you. So if you have any issue, you may ask me and then I will make a custom guide with all the steps and screenshot only for you. And apart from that, you might ask that what's in store for me. So let me be transparent as well. As of now, most of you, I have noticed that you are using an ad blocker. Well, truth be told, even I hate ad blockers. Even I am using an ad blocker, but the point is I am losing quite a lot of revenue. I have seen a fact that in my channel and as well as the website, over 90% of you are using ad blocker, and this has led to quite a lot of revenue being lost for me. So if you want to help me, then please you may join this VIP group. And apart from that, I also purchase new phones, as you might be aware, from time to time. So if you join the group, then for one of you, if you join single, then it will not look at much, but even rupees 200 will be a drop in the ocean, which will be quite a lot for me. And if around 4 to 5 even joins, then it will help me quite a lot in buying a new device, because I don't want to use an old device for different phone. For example, I will not make videos for OnePlus 11 on my OnePlus 7 phone. I want to use exact same device. And if you join this group, then it will help me in buying those phones as well quite a lot. And apart from that, well, it's not linked with you, but you have seen that I haven't used any sponsored video or sponsored content on my site or my channel. This is because most of the sponsored content have asked me to say in their favor, which I don't want to do. I want to be neutral, but they have forced me to say in their favor. Since that is the case, I have skipped all the sponsors, so I am not getting any money from sponsorship as well. So if you want to help me, then please think of joining this VIP group. And the price is as follows: rupees 199 per month for the Indian users, $2.33 and €2.05 as per 24th of April. So these are the rate: $2.3 and €2.05 and $199 per month for the Indian users. And guys, the last thing, even if you don't join, you will still get this file at the later date. Likewise, you will still get access to all my videos. There will be some posts which you could easily join as well, and I will also reply to your comments. It's just that at a later date, first I would reply to the VIP group and then I would reply to your comments. And finally, I may still write guides for you as well if the time permits. So keep this point in mind, that even if you don't join, you will not lose any of these. It's just that if you join, then it will help me quite a lot, and you will get all these files and new videos and posts at an early date as compared to the ones who don't join. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any issue and if you want to ask me for anything with regard to this VIP group, do let me know in the comments. And thanks a lot for watching.